Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sign in to your BigPond Webmail account. BigPond is a product of Australian largest telecommunication telstar. The BigPond Webmail login is only obtains when you are a paid subscriber. To log in on BigPond, click on browser. Go to signinbigpond.com. On the username box, type your username or email ID. If you have forgot your username or email ID, click on forgot. On the password box, type your password, and if you have forgot your password, click on forgot password. If you have a Telstar account executive, enter your business ID. If you are using from your own computer, click on remember username. After clicking on this, you don't have to enter your username when you log in next time. Click on login box to log in. If you don't have account and you want to register it, click on register now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.